This drawing is full size. It says there scale 1:1, and we can see that that does in fact just fit over there very neatly. Where I've used the center punch to mark the radius for the two ends, then that is going to form the center punch mark for the hole at each end as well. It says that's R10 for this radius. Over here we've got 3 holes, diameter 6, which is obviously that one, and the one which is slightly off center. So it's 70 there, a little bit closer to one end. So that is the R, see marked out. Now, how are we going to mark out this hole? Well, it says there that that hole is 70 from the very end, which means from there to here in a straight line, that would be 60. But we'll have to remember that this part here and that part there, it's slightly different heights. So although it's 70 in a straight line, it is in fact going to be very slightly more. We get a ruler and dividers, and we'll set these. You can actually put them into the engraving on the ruler. Put on the 200, 270, so that is 70 part. But do remember, it's 70 to the very end. We only wanted to go to there, so that is 10 away from there, so that's less 10. So we'll take that down to 260. Check that's correct. 260. So I can put, remember this is the 35mm end, so let's just check. I have got the 35mm, that's the 25, so put the dividers into that center punch mark, straighten out there. If it's 70 from there to there, it's 135 all the way to this end, then it must mean that from there to there must be 65, and from there to there it must be 55. So if we set the dividers to 55 and put it on that center punch mark, straighten arc, we can see that the two marks are very slightly apart because, as I explained, they are at different heights, so I would have expected a slight gap in between. So what that tells me though is that the position where I need to mark that hole is right in between there on the center line. So you're just using your odd leg calipers, mark there and a mark there, so hopefully we can see it's right in between. Almost got a little rectangle to center punch in between. Put it on the back of the vise. Hold that slightly to one side. One firm hit, so now I've got the 3 holes marked out, and I'm now ready to drill it.